Oh my God, my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen I from Fort Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today, I did promise you I was going to show you how to purchase any coin on a platform, but this particular case, it's a Binance exchange for crypto. Now, it doesn't matter which coin you buy, but preferably you don't have to, because when you get into the trading platform, you can exchange them or swap them at no extra cost for a far better quality coin. But all you need to do is to purchase some coin so you can start trading or start generating some coins or mine coins using the in-house system that each exchange provide. But more importantly, this video is about just teaching you how to add some real money into your crypto journey. But firstly, once you have logged into to your platform, and in this case, if you haven't, please sign up with Binance platform, uh, crypto trading platform, and I should have a link just below this video. Click onto it, and it should take you to Binance to sign up for free. The 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 the, the system is free to sign up, but of course, if you wanna make a lot of money, then you're gonna have to invest a little bit of your own cash into the system. I only started off with $50 as a testing number just to show me what's happening. How can I put that into use? Now, as I said, basically the first thing is register. So register with the link that I have down below. Click on it, and we'll get you into Binance. Once you're in there and you're registered, don't forget also you got to verify your account. That means they will need probably some sort of identity from you, which is basically your driver's license or your passport or one of your utility bills. For example, your phone bill or your gas bill that comes to your home. They want to make sure the system has been set up that you are the original, you are the unique, and you are the legitimate owner of the account. This is to avoid a lot of hackers and all the thieves that's been going into people's accounts so they can verify your account. And of course, one of the most important element of this process, you got to have a smartphone, a safe one, because to log in to your account later, it needs to be verified just like your bank account. When you go in to sign in, the bank will ring you on your phone to make sure it is you signing into your account. So there are sort of safety procedure that you need to have in order to secure your cryptocurrencies, because your cryptocurrency is just like a bank. Only in this case, you only deal mainly with crypto. Although you have to use real money, cash money, to buy the crypto can help you reach extra height of your own wealth or financial or journey speedily. And that's what I have seen. So anyway, let's get on with it. So don't forget, don't only click on the link to Binance, click also the link to subscribe to my video, to my YouTube video, and click on like. And that way we will stay in contact with one another. If you like my videos and you want more updates from me, you'll get an instant hit in your inbox somewhere that Steven has put up another video. Anyway, once you've done that, once you get into the Binance website, go straight away. Once you've logged in, got your user details, make sure those user details are safe, especially the words um, that they're going to give you, 12 words that it has to correspond with you. Make sure you write those down and keep those safely, or take a photo of it and keep it safely somewhere. Those are part of the security protocol to make sure that only you know how to get into your account, nobody else. Once you're in, then you click on buy crypto. In this case, it shows four avenues where you can put money into Binance to buy crypto. So you got a bank deposit directly, credit card or debit card, cash balance, or the other that I don't even know what it is. But normally I would use this baby here. Once you click on that, it takes you onto a site where it points you to which coin that you would like to buy. This is just to transfer your real money into the system. It doesn't really matter because while you're in the system, you can change those coins into whatever you wish it to be. So whatever currency you're in, meaning which country you're in, click on it or look for it, and that will translate that into your currency of the country where you are. Let's get, there you go. I've got that. Now, you don't have to, but it's up to you. You just want your money inside the system. Because once you're in the system, you can shuffle it around, swap the coins to whichever one you want. By clicking that, it will give you the options of which coin you rather prefer to transfer it into straight away. But if you want to be a bit more diligent, research the coins first and you know exactly which coin you're going to buy, then you click on that coin just to swap your dollars for that coin. Okay, so let's say we decided we take Shiba. So we click on Shiba. There we go. And the amount of money you want to put in there, whatever the amount, it doesn't matter. Let's start with something small so you can test it. And if you lose $50, hey, you haven't broken the bank. But if you say 500 or 5,000, that's a different story altogether. Okay, so let's go back. Say $50. We stay with $50 or even $100, even numbers. I have found the numbers could even be smaller. But if we stay with something relatively viable anyway for you in the future, it's up to you. Like I said, it doesn't matter. I'm just going to use 100 as an example. Whatever amount you want to put in there, it could be $5. It doesn't matter. Then you click continue. Remember, you have picked the coin you want, then you click continue. And as you go through the process, and say you click the continue and you got your money in the system, and it will show up on your wallet. Yeah. A wallet called fiat or spot. That's part of the system. Don't ask me how it works. That's just the system. Go into your wallet, click on your wallet, and it will show you exactly where your money is. Now, while you're in there, let's go through the process. That's where you're going to find where your money is that's been transferred into one of the local coins or the coins anyway. But in this case, this is it's still in Bitcoin, because don't forget, Bitcoin is the ultimate captain of the crypto currency world. So they always use Bitcoin, just like an American dollar. It's used more often, no different to Bitcoin. So once you understand that, that's why it always seems to go back to Bitcoin. Now, once you're in the system, it will show you exactly who your coin is. Now, if you don't like your coin, you can easily just go what it's. Let me. Where are we? Oh, where am I? There's an area. Oh, here we go. Pull it over. There we go. We go back up. There's an area say convert. Oh, convert. That's the word. That means you can convert your coin that you bought earlier to any other coin that you wish while you're in the system. And you say, oh, Bitcoin is going up a bit higher. Well, you can change your coin to Bitcoin. You're not going to get how much Bitcoin is worth at the time, but you get the fraction of how much you have put into Bitcoin. Now, if you read up the top here, a Binance Convert, it's a zero fee, guaranteed price, any pair. You can play around with your money within the system, swap it with whatever coin you wish. But the key emphasis of this video was to show you how to fund your account or how to buy crypto. Because once you're in the system, click on buy crypto using your credit card or your bank express. Once you're ready to do some wonderful things while you are inside the Binance internal system, because there's a lot going on in the system, and you can easily be overwhelmed with it. But don't worry, just follow this video that I'm showing you how to get the money in first, how to have your first a coin. Once you have your first coin, then we can look at probably some of the earlier videos that I have made to say start earning. Hold on, here we go, start earning, and put your coin straight away to start earning what it's supposed to do, earn you extra coins. Now, this is the area that I've already made a video of this, but I'm going to show it again anyway. Straight away, you want your coins to start working for you. You don't want to just put it in there and expect the price of the coin to grow. Now that's a silly man's game now, because the system provides you all these extra offers and tools and systems to increase the value of your coin. Now this particular one's called earn. That means you can earn a lot more. There's a few more, but I'm just going to concentrate on this particular one. Okay. Then again, I have already shown you in my early video, but I'm going to show it you again because it's so wonderful to be able to access the system with very high return of your investment. Click on earn, then click on earn product. Did you see that? Let's go back. Oh, didn't allow us, so it's in the other page. So it's swapped from one page to the other. Now I click earn, and earn came from under your portfolio or your profile. Once you click earn, go to earn product, takes you to the next page. Then it will show you the many products that's on offer by Binance and what's available for you to grow your coin. And here it is here as an example. Not an example. It's the real offer. These are what they offer on the platform at this point of time. Now, I always go for the big one. I always go. So I'm going to go for the 76% using this coin, AXS. I'm not really interested in how much they earn. They're worth. All I'm after is how much that coin is going to be worth to me after I have transferred it to that coin left in the system for 90 days. But be patient. It's got a little bit more offer within that little system. Okay. Now, notice it can give you 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. But if you press on 30 days, you'll notice the earn is a bit smaller. Here we go. Keep an eye on this earn when I click on this one in a minute. 50. You still get 53.9% for just 30 days instead of 90 days. But if you take it to say 60 days, it goes up a little bit more, 62%. If you just say, oh, this is making pretty good money, I can just leave my money there and grow for 90 days. And of course, 76%. That's pretty good return on your investment in any man's world, because the reality is the bank, if you were to take some money and put it in the bank, you get something around about 1% or 2%, which is ridiculous to what crypto can provide for us in this current market status. So this is the product I wanted to show you after you have, of course, transferred your coin. Transfer your coin into the system. You buy, and then we go back again, just to emphasize. Go up to buy coin, click on buy coin, use your credit card or bank transfer, click on it, pick the coin you choose to buy, and you're in. And just follow that step that I have shown you on my video. Otherwise, keep coming back to the video to see how the system works. And this is under your name. Well, what's the word? Oh, not profile. Click on it, bring down earn, or you can go to change your coin to another coin, and you simply look for it up the top of these icons, and here it is, convert your coin, and it's converted for free. So you're just swapping from one currency, for example, to another at no extra cost, because you might have heard, oh, another coin is going up, so you want to catch that coin, capture its rising price before you put it in the lock system to make a lot more money. But anyway, I hope I've given you an idea how to put money in your crypto account with Binance, and that's only the simple way, simple method how to do it. There are a little bit more extravagant way also how you can fund the account with other crypto from another, say, a different company or different wallet. But I'll show you that later. The more importantly, it's how you can put some of your money into Binance and start trading that money using the coins they already have on the platform. Sounds a bit awesome, sounds a bit crazy, it sounds a bit overwhelming, of course. But once you have a bit of practice, you start to learn how to use the platform. But it's everything else, like everything else in life, you need a bit of practice. So get, say, 50 to 100 bucks in there and just play around with it while you're in the system, just to get to know where to point your mouse, where to go. Because that's the worst part about it, because there's so many things, is to know exactly where to go. But otherwise, this is Stephen R4 from R4 Fortune, creating fortunes for the future with crypto. And we look forward to seeing you on my next video. But don't forget, subscribe to my video, click on the link, get into this platform, start practicing with it, and I'll see you in my next video. We love you. God loves you. See you next time.